Okay, we're back to Blockly, and this is a music module. You should realise that all music nowadays, from a synthesizer or from a keyboard, or downloaded music, it's all electronic. It's all digital. So a music note can be specified using computer code. 30 or 40 years ago, things were on vinyl or real instruments are recording acoustic music, but most acoustic music now is converted into electronic form so that we can play it on devices. This is a music version of Blockly. I'm going to go for the first couple of levels, I think that's all. So, the instruction says play the first 4 notes of Frère Jacques, and you'll see that these letters are conventional music notation, so the note C, the note D, and so on. And 4 just says where it is on this. This is called the stave. So this position this is the note C. It's in position 4. You can have a note C down here that will be in position 3, and a note C up here which will be in position 5. Okay, so we're just going to compose these first 4 notes. And it says when we run the program, we're going to press the note, we're going to play the note C. There we go. So we need a few more of those. I hope you know what Frère Jacques sounds like. So that's C, this one's D, so we've got to change this to D. This next one is E, and then it goes back to C. Should play. So we've, as usual, we've got the visual version, the block version, but we've also got the actual JavaScript. So it's saying play for a certain length of time, and then these numbers refer to which note we play. Let's have a look at level 2. So it's now saying we're going to run the first 4 notes twice. This is important though in computing. A function, it just allows you to group things together. So we've got to create a function first and then run it twice. Okay, so this thing is, it's now a function. We're going to give it a name. And I think we're going to call it first part. And then this now defines what happens when we run first part. So we can now just stick first part in here, and if we stick first part in twice, it should run it twice. So it's just renamed this block of 4 notes, it's renamed it first part essentially, and it's going to run it twice. Let's see what happens. Done it. So you define the function first of all. Sorry, that's not true. You define the function here. This is the function first part, tells you what to play, and then you run it twice. Level 3, I'm probably going to leave you to, but it's no, it's not. I'm going to do it for you. A second function with the last note longer. So this is a longer note. So let's see, we need to create a new function, second part, and it needs these notes in it. I don't know if you can copy these things. Let's create a note. And then I think it said this one is longer, so we're going to use this note, which is double the length. And I think it goes C4, D4, and E4. Let's just see if that sounds right. So I think that should be D4. And then E4. So this is short, short, long. And if we stick second part in there now, let's see what this sounds like. notes there. It tells us what the notes should be. Should be E, so this is E, F, G. E, F, G. This is debugging, I suppose. Let's try again. Sounds good. And we could repeat it because I think the second part should be repeated. I'm going to leave the rest to you.